I'm Lisa Bloom, and I'm here this afternoon with criminal defense attorney David Hanel from Florida. Welcome.
Thank you. Good to see you again.
Tell me a little bit about your practice.
Well, we do everything from traffic tickets, criminal cases, driving under the influence, and a lot of tickets. We cover actually the entire state of Florida in traffic tickets.
Wow, you must get a lot of calls on those traffic
We
tickets
do.
because everybody gets one, right?
Absolutely. I always say a traffic ticket's like a haircut. We all get them.
Okay, even though we try not to,
Right.
it's true. We always end up. Let's talk about DUIs. How serious are the penalties for driving under the influence in Florida?
Well, they're getting more serious every time we have a new legislature. There seems to be, you lose your license, the possibility of jail is there. Depending on the breathalyzer result, you could have the ignition interlock device. So, and as you accumulate possibly more DUIs, the penalties definitely get more enhanced.
Yeah, and it can go on your record. If you go to apply for a job, you have to put that down on your job application. Insurance can go up, right?
Absolutely. And in Florida, you can never expunge a DUI. Once a DUI is on your record, it's on there for 75 years. So fighting a DUI is something that you definitely want to consider.
All right, so if I've been pulled over and I've been arrested for a DUI and I call your firm, what can I expect? What kinds of strategies would you offer for me?
First of all, you can expect to speak to an attorney. Our office is a 24/7 operation. Whether you get arrested on a Saturday or a Sunday,
Wow.
if you were to call 1-800-FIGHT-IT, you would speak to an actual attorney, not an answering service. And we will tell you that you only have 10 days to challenge that license suspension. So getting an attorney involved is critical, especially in Florida on a DUI.
All right, and for people who are short of money, a lot of people are going through a hard time right now with the recession. They may feel that I should just plead guilty. Is that a good idea?
You don't need an attorney to plead guilty. You can just go in court to do that. There's always a possible legal defense to explore. And without an attorney to be able to explore that legal defense for you, you will never know by just going in and pleading guilty.
Can you give me an example of some of the defenses that people might have available to them?
Absolutely. First of all, they have to be able to prove that you were the driver. So if there was an accident and they can't put you behind the wheel, that's a possible defense.
David, I know sometimes people are not just under the influence of alcohol, but drugs, illegal drugs or prescription drugs. They can get in trouble for that too, right?
They can, and we're seeing more of those types of cases. In the state of Florida, there's something called a drug recognition expert. And if you were arrested and that person was not a drug recognition expert, potentially there's a good legal defense because can they actually prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you were impaired by something what we call an 893 or an illicit drug?
You know, I put myself in the shoes of someone who may have had a DUI arrest, and I think I would feel embarrassed. I would want total discretion in my case. I wouldn't want my friends and my family, my employer to find out. If I contact your office, would you be able to promise me discretion and confidentiality?
Absolutely. That's something that we're very, very particular about. Your privileged information that you tell us, we're not going to disclose that with anyone. And, you know, your case could be potentially similar to something that has already happened or we've represented somebody. We represent over 300 motorists a year charged with DUI. And our website, Fight Your DUI, has a lot of good information. And if you are uncomfortable about calling an attorney, just click on the click to call button and you'll immediately get forwarded to our office. So it's a very, very good website for people to know and to learn about DUI.
All right, David, so bottom line, if I have been arrested, why should I give you a call?
I don't think anyone knows how to defend these cases more than me and my firm and Darren Feinblum, because I used to train every prosecutor in the state of Florida. I was the former State of Florida Prosecutor of the Year. Who better to defend someone's DUI case than someone who used to train all the prosecutors?
All right, well, thank you so much,
Thank you,
David.
Lisa. Good to see you again.
Good to see you.